and welcome to
Millie's Media. Media blog. Yeah. Media blog.
So Cool. Today we're going to be talking about our first camera workshop. So we started off by entering the studio, which is this lovely, great big room with a lovely green screen on the wall. As we entered, we were shown two boxes, one which had a tripod in and one which had a camera. We started off by being shown how to set up the tripod, and then once we had done that, we were taught how to bubble it. Bubbling the tripod ensures that the camera, when it is sat on top of the tripod, sits straight on and isn't at a slant unless it's meant to be at a slant, so the camera work doesn't look sloppy. We were interested on picking up the cameras and examining them and looking at all of the different parts of the camera. And took it in turns to slide the camera onto the tripod by using a little button on one side and a little lever on the other side, and pushed it on until it was clicked into place, and we used our hands and we had to switch our grip in between to make sure the camera wouldn't fall. Then took the cover of the camera off the camera and made sure to put it back into the bag so none of us accidentally took it home with us, because that would be very unfortunate. We then got the battery pack and we slid it onto the back, and we took it in turns to do that. We then got to look at all of the buttons on the camera and learn how to use all of those, learn how to find and press the recording button and how to adjust the lighting so it would fit to the certain environment that we are given, like outside, etc. And we were taught how to focus the camera. When focusing the camera, we were taught that we had to zoom into an extremely detailed object. For example, when recording a human face, you would zoom into the eye, and then you would focus it on that, and when you zoom out, the whole shot would be focused, which is very important because if it's out of focus then it looks sloppy. We then took it in turns to practice focusing the camera and putting everything into focus and into shot, and then we talked about the different levels we could use and to make sure we didn't have too much headspace and to make the shots visually pleasing. We then got to disassemble the camera, putting the battery pack first, and then we took the camera off and put the lens on the front, lens cover on the front, and then we popped that back into the bag, and then we all helped each other to take down the tripod. Some important things to remember is to lift the tripod from the bottom first and then do the top bits on the tripod, and to also, when handing equipment to other people, we go yours, and then when they grab it and take hold they say mine, in order to not drop any of the very, very expensive equipment. Thank you for watching my first video on Millie's Media blog. I thoroughly hope you enjoyed yourself. Thank you.